Hi, my name is Oliver Bogen. I'm since more than 20 years with Klüber, and for the same period of time I'm working within the wind industry. I think you are all aware that the generator bearings sometimes reach temperatures that cause the turbine to switch off. We identified hard residues of old grease that get back into the bearing raceway as one possible reason. The workload that has to be carried out to make the grease smooth again causes the bearing temperature to rise. We have developed a flushing grease that dissolves these residues and flush them out together with the old grease. The turbine doesn't have to be switched off. The cleaning process takes part during the normal operation. As an additional advantage, the product can also be used to flush the main bearings. 1 or 2 cartridges of the flushing grease Klüber-Synd BZ 68400 are slowly filled into the bearings. The turbine should run then for 24 to 48 hours. After that, the bearings are refilled with the operating grease again. Klüber-Plex BEM 34131N has been proven to be very effective here.